We're also following breaking news out of a Milwaukee County courtroom. Mistrial. That's the outcome of a high-profile trial for Brown Deer police officer Devin Kramer. The jury could not reach a unanimous decision.
Kramer is accused of shooting an unarmed man in the back during an arrest almost 2 years ago. Pete Servakis now live with us outside the courthouse with reaction.
Well, Shannon, jurors took in about 2 weeks of testimony during this trial, but in the end, all 12 of them could not agree on whether the state proved its case beyond a reasonable doubt.
I think they have taken their duties seriously, and for whatever reasons, they're at an impasse.
The judge sent jurors home this afternoon. They deliberated for about 16 hours over 3 days. No verdict reached. The DA will now have to decide if police officer Devin Kramer will be retried.
Talk to the lead prosecutor on the case, talk to the victim and the victim's attorney. I will sit down with the defense attorney and we'll determine where we go in the future.
She was charged with aggravated battery in connection with the shooting of Manuel Burnley Jr. He was not armed. Kramer and another officer escorted him off a bus near 60th and Brown Deer Road almost 2 years ago because he'd been arguing with the driver. All three people fell to the ground in a scuffle once off the bus. Kramer testified she feared for her safety and shot Burnley Jr. once in the back. But he testified too and maintained he was not resisting arrest during the struggle. Now, an attorney for Burnley Jr. told us his client is very upset about the lack of a verdict and does want the case retried. In the meantime, Devin Kramer remains on administrative suspension from Brown Deer PD. Live in downtown Milwaukee, Pete Servakis, today's TMJ4.
All right, Pete, thank you. We continue to keep a close eye on this case throughout our newscast, and we'll also have other stories where you can find that up-to-date information on our website at tmj4.com.